New debut in the market, Kenvue, the spin-out from JNJ, having a pretty good start. Jenny, how come?
It is having a pretty good start to the day, Oliver, with its now opened up around 17% above its IPO price, which makes it actually one of the biggest deals we've seen since 2021, which makes sense given the fact that this is now the parent company of so many of these major household brands like Tylenol, Band-Aid, Listerine, and Benadryl. So they did say that late Wednesday they sold about 173 million shares in their IPO, which was up from the previous expectations of around 151 million shares. The company did raise about $3.8 billion, with the IPO pricing around $22 a share. This was at the higher end of their previous range, which had called for the pricing to be between $20 and $23 a share. The stock's first trade on the New York Stock Exchange was around $25.53 at 12:47 p.m. Eastern Time, which then for about 15 million shares. At the opening price, we could see its market cap just shy of $48 billion. So this is a really major IPO, and we know the IPO market has really dried up over the last several years. We've seen that way on several of the banks, actually, is that this is a different market than we once saw several years ago. There was once, 2019, I believe, was the year of SPACs, when we talked so much about SPACs, so much about some of these public offerings. That has completely dried up. So I think encouraging to see this. This is something we've been planning for, as JNJ had previously disclosed this healthcare arm spinning off now into Kenvue. But we'll have to watch and see, because today is its first day of trading. You can only really get a good look at the price activity on an intraday chart, because the chart looks completely wanky, I have to say, on Thinkorswim platform. But if you look at the 1 day, 1 minute chart, you can see its minute by minute price activity and seeing a strong open. So definitely encouraging, I think, all in all, especially given the strength we've seen in the healthcare space.
For sure. Yeah, pretty good start here, and a good one to follow, given the sector and given the way investors have found some solace in the healthcare trade. So good rundown. Thanks, Jenny. KVUE up big on the debut.